Today, getting from A to B is child's play, as we can be guided by satellite navigation systems to our destinations. This revolution is changing the way we live and work, improving safety and efficiency, and creating a booming industry. The vast potential of this technology has inspired the creation of Europe's own state-of-the-art global navigation satellite system, called GALILEO. EGNOS, which increases satellite navigation reliability and accuracy over Europe by complementing American and Russian systems, is Europe's first step in satellite navigation. These important initiatives will fuel European know-how and expertise and create business opportunities, leading to countless new jobs, a positive step towards ensuring a strong economic future for Europe. The unique integrity guarantee provided by EGNOS and GALILEO will play a major role in revolutionizing security and safety. Civil aviation and air traffic control, for example, will benefit substantially, making flying much safer and more efficient than ever before. On the ground, the movement of support equipment will be able to be better managed thanks to GALILEO. In the sky, with a huge increase in air traffic, GALILEO will play an essential role in accurately pinpointing all flights of large and small aircraft on any airfield. In the future, taking off, flying and landing, even in the most difficult weather conditions, will be safer than ever before. Navigating at sea through narrow channels or in difficult conditions has always involved risk. With GALILEO, ships will be able to be followed more closely and guided more easily, making the handling of maritime traffic much safer and making collisions a thing of the past. GALILEO's advanced ability to track hazardous materials along their entire journey will have huge advantages for the environment and hold everyone more responsible for their actions. With more accurate monitoring of vessels, at the scene of an accident or a disaster, knowing who is responsible will now be evident. On the road, navigation systems are used often and help motorists every day. With increasing traffic, different national charging systems are in place on motorways and in city centers, aimed at reducing congestion and pollution. Even so, we still get stuck in traffic. Most of today's traffic management relies on ground-based equipment. In the future, GALILEO's accuracy will make it possible to locate all vehicles more easily. For insurance companies, each vehicle will be accounted for, whether it's in an accident or if it goes missing. GALILEO will change the way we use the roads, taking into account the peak times for traffic, the distance each vehicle covers, and the type of vehicle used. With more efficient traffic handling, congestion will be kept to a minimum, making things better for the environment and for all of us. This information will also help to design and situate new roads, providing alternative routes that help avoid congestion wherever it occurs. The same can be said for traveling by train. Keeping our rail networks running smoothly will also be easier with GALILEO. Its accurate information will provide safer service and at a fraction of the cost of upgrading traditional signaling equipment that is based on older, less efficient ground technology. GALILEO will also play a part in helping each of us on a more personal level as well. It will open doors to new kinds of reliable, interactive travel and tourism guides. A new generation of applications and services powered by GALILEO will prove to be invaluable, for example, when we're on holiday or lost, or simply need to find the location of an important meeting in a hurry. In the future, when all mobile phones are fitted with location devices, everyone will be safer and easier to locate. Rescuing people will become faster with the coverage and reliability provided by Galileo, so any loved one would never be lost for long. In the future, people with disabilities will be much better served, both overground and underground. Highly accurate handheld devices will provide real-time vocal announcements to enable visually impaired people to have more autonomy, making traveling an easier and safer experience for everyone. Galileo will make possible the creation of many new services, offering the public far greater convenience and safety. Its accuracy and reliability will make emergency services more efficient. The police and the fire brigade will be able to better manage their fleets and dispatches and coordinate actions to arrive quickly at a scene to save time and lives. While current satellite navigation services have become a commodity that Europe has grown to rely on, they depend on a resource that is provided by other nations. In the future, Europe will control its own global navigation system and its destiny when Galileo becomes a reality. The ultra-accurate timing provided by Galileo will also provide a low-cost time reference that will increase the reliability of banking transactions, share transactions, and simple everyday purchases. From supporting our industry and benefiting our economy to improving transportation and helping us be safely reunited with our families, Galileo will play a positive role in Europe's economy and growth. It will create new services, new businesses, new jobs, and new opportunities for us and our children. It will even help out with the little things in life, like finding a service station, or our pet, or a nearby restaurant. Creating new horizons for a brighter and more secure future for Europe.